Hi everyone, it's Peg, and today I am working on Mission Inspiration. That's a Facebook group sponsored by Mike Deacon. And this month, which is January 2018, we have 8 prompts. We also have word prompts and color prompts. So, because it's Genesis, Renew, Resolve, Wish, and Memories, I pulled out some photographs. These are memories of mine. These are my brothers and I sitting on our couch when I was a kid, and this is my great grandmother, and pictures of my brothers with a birthday party, and pictures of me as an infant, and more pictures of my brothers probably at a lake when we were vacationing or something. So yes, I have memories, so I will incorporate something from that in my work. I've also selected some paints. The colors are aqua, olive, and blush. So I have this chalky finish Americana. This one is Bestow. This one is Innocence, and this one is Lace, and Treasure. Okay, and this I need to thin with a little bit of that to make it more of the aqua color. But you can see I have my color palette here, which goes along with what the prompts are. I also pulled out some papers in those colors because the very first thing it says is glue square rectangle pieces of card or paper. Okay, so that's what I'm going to start with, and we'll get going. Okay, so we glued our squares, we added white or tinted gesso, we added marks with a brush or comb, and now it says add blocks of handwritten journaling, and then draw through a stencil in black or white, add focal images, add shredded book, music, text, and typography, quote, or phrase. Okay, so here we go. Let's finish this up. I think I'm ready to remove my taping, and we'll get speeded up again.